Maybe if we start an FTR chant, they'll listen.
FTR, 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 FTR,
Once upon a time, there was a little known group, I don't know if you heard of them, they were called the Pinnacle. Anybody? Now, the Pinnacle had a hell of a lot of promise. You're a dumb fat bald prick, keep your mouth shut. Man, you got a lot of white people out here. You can't get on beat with a catchphrase or a chant. It's pretty embarrassing. Listen, there was a group, it was called the Pinnacle, and I think it's fair to say we had, as a group, a whole lot left more in the tank. But unfortunately, things didn't go the way we wanted to. And that was because at the time, I was too arrogant to realize just how great FTR is.
Yeah.
Now, I make no bones about it. Me and Cash, at one point in time, you and I got along. Me and you, but I gotta tell you, after tonight, I gotta say, sure, we got some differences. I'm a New York yuppie. You're real Southern, right? You hit hard. I do eye pokes. I'm old money. You're new money. But if there's one thing that I can say we have in common is that we love professional wrestling. And tonight, whether it means anything from you or not, the AEW World Champ wanted to say to you,
the real
and
World
you,
Champ,
now more than ever, it is apparent, you two are the best tag team in the world.
1, 2,
I don't want to hear about Collision versus Dynamite. I don't want to hear about Kaboomers versus Colliders, because at the end of the day, what this sport needed was an alternative, and that is why this company was made. The way I see it, we are all on Team AEW. For now until 2024, but that's fine, we can talk about that later. We can talk about it later. What I would like to do now is to celebrate our differences and our similarities by having something that is world famous right here in Connecticut. And I'm not talking about poor women. Be honest with yourself. What I'm talking about is CT Pizza, baby. Bring out the pizza! 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 Okay, well, a couple of things. First, it's so funny, he's got his own delivery guy here in Connecticut. Second, he said old money and new money. I'd like to say old money and no money. And third, 2 weeks ago, we gave you guys 58 damn minutes of our body, and tonight, half of y'all booed us.
No, not me. Not me.
All that said,
Not me.
all that said, it's funny you got us a surprise because I got you guys a surprise too. Tequila, 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 tequila.
What is that?
Max, don't throw this tequila on a kid, okay? Okay, so we got pizza and tequila, so how about this for a chant? Tequila and pizza, 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 tequila and pizza. Thanks for playing along with me, thank you.
We want pancakes.
I just want to eat pizza, so thanks everybody, have a good night.
That's weird. Is that where it's from? Can you tell?
To Hartford, Connecticut, and to AEW.